Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the 120 watts fast charging support test in the iQOO 7 device. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a demonstration on this particular topic. The main reason is because recently I did purchase the Xiaomi 11i iPadCharge, which has got the 120 watts charging support as well. And few of the users, they want to know whether this iQOO 7 phone actually supports this kind of fast charging mechanism or not. And make sure to check out the playlist of this Xiaomi 11i. You will be able to find all the videos which I did upload using with the Poco F3 GT and Realme GT Neo 2 on all other smartphones. I'm trying to test this kind of charging mechanism is kind of working or not at this moment. And right now let's start with the iQOO 7 device, friends. So first let's try to use a default charger, which is a 66 watts charger. Okay, right now I'll try to use a default charger, and there's a default charger which I'm trying to connect the phone at this moment. And let's see what happens with the default charger, what is the milliamperes we can actually get right now. So this is a default charger which I'm trying to use, which is a flash charge, and right now you should be able to see the charging animation. And exactly after 1 minute of time we'll be able to get exact what's happening with the charging graph. So we'll take it to the 1 minute as a consideration. Some phones, they do require certain amount of time to get that kind of high speed, peak speed. That's the reason I'm trying to give some 60 seconds of time for this phone to get this kind of peak speed. And later I'll try to use this 120 watts charger, and then I'll try to demonstrate using this 120 what will be the high speed, and using this 66 flash charge what is the high speed. And right now we are getting about around 3800 milliampere speed. You can clearly see, friends, using this application. 3800 is the maximum highest speed we got within just first minute of charging. 3800. So I cannot see any kind of increasing again at this moment anyway. So you can definitely look at the graph, how the graph is actually kind of increasing and decreasing. Clearly you can able to see it. And right now let me try to disconnect it, friends, and let's see what happens with the using the 120 watts fast charger. How much fast charging we can actually expect using this 120 watts. Let me to connect right now, and right now the 120 is connected, 120 watts, and now we should be able to demonstrate what's going on. And this is a charging test using with the 120 watts charger, and now we should be able to see what is the highest milliamperes it will be detecting. And we'll just give the 1 minute of time as usual, and after some time then the phone will be able to take that advantage of high fast charging after some time. In the initial it's showing only 400 milliamperes, so don't worry. I guess maybe after some time the phone will be able to recognize and increase the speed. That's what I'm expecting. So you can see the time as well, how much time I have been connected to this 120 watts at this moment. So as you can see, friends, right now the peak speed has been increased just after 30-40 seconds. So the phone usually takes some time. Whenever you try to connect different charger, if you try to connect, the phone takes some time to recognize. And right now we are getting about 1800 milliamperes. 1800 milliamperes we are getting regarding the charging speed. As you can see, previously we got about 3800 milliamperes, now we are getting 1800. So definitely, friends, the 120 watts fast charging is not supporting at this moment in the iQOO 7 device. So that's a clear example which we got right now. You can clearly see it's not supported in this device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.